Hi everyone. The topic for today is magnetism. Last time we discussed about magnets and magnetic materials, and today we will see what is this kind of phenomena, magnetism. Before getting the new topic, let's recall all the terms and concepts that we got last time. Starting by the first one. What is a magnet? A magnet is any piece of material that can attract iron or steel. Type of magnets, natural and artificial ones. Natural magnets, those that experience a low magnetic power. Artificial, low that experience a higher magnetic power. A magnet has at least two poles. So what is a pole? Are the ends of the magnet. We said that the magnetic force is greater at its ends, so at its poles. And then we have used the blue color to represent North Pole and the red one to represent South Pole. We classify materials in magnetic and non-magnetic according to the way how can attract or not another material. All the materials that are attracted by the magnet, like iron, nickel, cobalt, steel, are called magnetic. Materials that are not attracted by the magnet, like silver, gold, aluminum, are called non-magnetic materials. So that was all the review for the last topic. Let's start the new one. As I said, magnetism. Magnetism is just describe a phenomenon. Which one? The force of attraction or repulsion of a magnetic material due to arrangement of its atoms, especially its electrons, because you know that an atom is made up by electrons. But electrons at magnets have a special function. They act like domains. They are called domains. In ferromagnetic materials, smaller groups of atoms band together into areas called domains, in which all the electrons have the same direction. And then you have the pictures. The first one represents a random direction. The second one, the same direction of domains. Now, which are the steps that you can use to induce a metal to act like a magnet? Are these ones. We have 4 steps. The first one, we get an unmagnetized bar. You can check at the first point that the direction of the domains inside of it are randomly in all directions. Now, if you brought near to it a magnet with the poles as you see at point 2, the domains start to have the same direction. So it means that you have induced the unmagnetized bar to act like a magnet. So at the 4th step, the atomic magnets at both ends are free. So the unmagnetized bar now is a magnetized bar. So which was the big concept? Magnetism. But what was magnetism? Just the attraction or repulsion of the magnets. Because according to Magnet's rule, we said that like poles repel, unlike attract. But which are the properties? At magnetism, distance is something that affects magnetic force. Greater the distance, less the effect of magnetic force. According to the way how a magnet can experience this magnetic power, we can classify in permanent magnets and temporary magnets. Permanent magnets are the magnets that experience their magnetism for a long period of time. Temporary magnets, those that experience their magnetic power for a short period of time. Summary. So the first concept was magnetism, the attraction or repulsion force between two magnets. Pay attention. To magnetize something, we use a magnet. And then which was the particle that helps us to induce magnetism, the mass. We classify magnets in temporary and permanent. Temporary magnets, those that experience their magnetic power for a short period of time, and permanent ones, those that experience the magnetic power for a long period of time. So let's start with questions. You can open your workbook at page 120, if I'm right. Unit 13, magnetism, starting by the first exercise. 13.1, magnets and magnetic materials, are all exercises that will help you to check and to understand the difference between magnetic and non-magnetic materials and just magnets. The first exercise. Mohammed is testing different materials to discover which are magnetic. You will write down how it can do it by taking a magnet, brought it near to different materials, and then check if anyone is attracted by the magnet. The one that is attracted by the magnet is called magnetic one. Pay attention, the condition is to mate or to be or mating up by iron and steel. Point B, at the same exercise, you have a table with different materials, and you will add cross or ticket at each material to define which one is attracted or not by a magnet. Copper coin is not attracted because copper is not a magnetic material. Steel, yes. Aluminum, no. Plastic, no. Wooden stick, no. Iron nail, of course that yes, because is magnetic material. And water in the cup, no. As homework, next time, exercise 2 at page 120 at the same page, so on your workbook. And that was all for today. So don't forget what is magnetism, temporary and permanent magnets. Thank you.